They're scratching up my floor. Here comes a seizure. They're so bad for the second kids. Don't be scared.
Is he breakdancing?
Okay, that's it. Game over. Nobody wants to see an old man die. Fatty's team loses because I want to see him cry again. Good one, Eleanor.
Don't worry, folks. Whitey's okay.
This is the happiest seizure of my life.
See, I told you.
Yeah. Bubble! Tactical foul! Tactical foul!
Can you take me home now?
Ya-da-da, ya-da-da, ya-da-da-da-da. Hee-hee, I'll be over to feed the cats in the morning, Mrs. Addison. Good kitty, nice kitty. My finger's in your mouth, kitty, but I don't feel no teeth.